Hello everyone and thanks for hanging out with me. Today I want to talk to you about a theory that Fully Charged had and my Kia dealer where I test drove the e-Soul and the e-Niro. And it's about Hyundai and Kia not producing enough Konas and e-Niro and e-Soul as the market wants to, and therefore they have delivery times of a year or like the e-Soul 16 months. So their official statement is that they can't get enough battery cells to build the cars, but like I said, Fully Charged Robert and my Kia dealer told me something else. So the theory is that the EU has set a CO2 limit for each car maker up to a certain limit and the average of the cars that you're selling. And right now I think it's 95 grams per 100 kilometer CO2. And 2025 it has to be 15% less, and 2035 it has to be 37.5% less. And the easiest way to do that is to have to not go down immediately, to go down a bit and then a bit more the next year and so on, is to not sell all your electric cars right away. And this is the theory. They could build more Konas and so on, but they don't, because they're with the few that they're selling, they're already reaching the target that they need. And so for the next year they can then do a bit less, they can build a bit more and then get less, and so forth. So the other year more and so on. So it's easier for them. Go drive. It's easier for them to get to the goal that they need to get. Good. Busy and loud. Everybody's driving like crazy. I'm not going uphill 80 because this car, it could go faster, but then it's loud and it's annoying and a lot of gas and save money. I'm a cheapskate, you already know that. Yeah. So what do you think? Is that really true? I mean, Kona and e-Niro and e-Soul are great cars. It's such a shame that the delivery time is so long, and it makes me mad. And of course they do this so they don't have to create more electric cars, so different ones, so that they can keep their fossil cars, their internal combustion engine cars, because there's still a market for them, of course, and they want to sell them. But to be able to sell them, they have to build electric cars too, so the average CO2 level is in the norm. And by the way, if they don't meet those target numbers, they have to pay a lot. I read that Volkswagen will have to pay I don't know, $1 billion or something if they cannot meet the target. I don't know if it was 2020 or 2021, but I hope with the ID3 they can reach that. And it's a lot of money, so of course they don't want to pay the fee. But it's just a shame, and this is the reason that something that EU created to get manufacturers to build electric cars or hybrids is destroying delivery time for a car. That's very sad. I mean, someone like Tesla doesn't care about this. It's only electric cars. They can build how many they want. And I think Volkswagen will put them out a lot too, because I read that in 2025, if I'm not mistaken, they want to produce 100% only electric vehicles. I don't know if I read that right. Maybe it was later, but that's soon. In 5 years or 6 years, they wanna just build electric cars. Would be cool. It's great. we're going in a great direction, I think so. And if you haven't seen the other video, so Volkswagen ID3 world premiere is on September 9th, the Monday at 8 p.m. Central European time. I got the newsletter from the pre-booker newsletter, and it said that there will we get the link for that, of course. I mean, we'll make big advertising for that. And they also told me if you come to the Frankfurt Motor Show and come to see the ID3, you get a present. I'm guessing something small. I have to sneeze. I'm alive. That's good. So, no, I'm going there anyways, but not because of the present. Oh, I have to sneeze again. Damn it. Sorry. I'm dying. No, I'm not. Okay. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Thanks for staying till the sneezes. Bye.